Hey everybody, this is Tool Dude Tony. Up today we're going to unbox a Yukon 750 from Voltbike. This was shipped from Blaine, Washington, which is in the upper northwest corner of the continental United States. It's about 1,800 miles from here. So it made the journey. There's a little damage to the box, but I think we're going to be okay with that. So hey, without further ado, let's get this thing out of the box, huh? Here's a quick walk around. From this side, there's no damage at all on this side of the box. It's all good. When you get down here to the end, though, it looks like you know, somebody lifted the handle and it tore it up. Oh, look, it's in there. Here's a look at the packaging. Nicely wrapped. There's the helmet. I think the easiest way to get it out of here is just to cut this end open and roll it out. Let's give that a try. Ooh, set her free. Let's do a quick walk around and see what we have here. Looks like we've got a little bit of a shipping problem here. The reflector on the back is just bashed up. I think that's the only issue right now. Yeah, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so in the box we have pedals. We have the multi-tool in another box. Some sort of a rubber grommet. Oh, it's a charger. Okay. It's a charger. Some instructions. Oh, assembly instructions. And what's this? Oh, battery charging instructions. So I'm going to hang on to this because I definitely want to take care of this battery. You know, this multi-tool kit they sent us is actually pretty neat. It has an assortment of Allen wrenches. So it looks like it comes with sockets, 10, 9, and 8. A little socket driver is one of the things it has here in the multi-tool. Has a screwdriver, a regular flat screwdriver. It has your cross or Phillips screwdriver. And it has this other little kind of a wrench. We'll use this to put the pedals on to tighten them up. Alright, now let's deal with the handlebars. Another cable tie here holding protection around the don't lose your screws. Hey, there we go. Gonna loosely tighten it. I'm not sure where I want it yet. Set this on top. Oh, there we go. Okay, so when you put this on, push this all the way around. That gives you plenty of space now to screw these little bolts back in. Okay, before I tighten this down all the way, I want to get the handlebars kind of where I want them here. So now let's pull this up. I'm not sure exactly what angle I want to put this at yet. So I'm just going to put it about there and just snug it up a bit. And then the ultimate new toy thing, to pull the plastic off. Alright, now it's mine for sure. So, if you look closely by the reflector here, there's an R on one and there's an L on the other. So, let's put them on. So, let's see how this works. Not exactly sure how you're supposed to put any torque on. Oh, like this, okay. Ooh, this is just crap, cheap metal, so be careful with this. It's already, I mean, that kind of sprung it out of alignment already, so just be careful with that. I'm going to use a regular wrench on this, tighten it up the rest of the way. Alright, here are the keys hanging from the rack. Okay, the chain is not on the front sprocket. Let's go ahead and attach that. Okay, the tires are fully inflated, but let's take a look and see just how much pressure is in them right now. They feel pretty hard. Okay, this says, oh, about 18 pounds, so not bad. That'll be good enough for a test ride. Alright, let's power this thing on, see what we got here. Oh, you just push the button. Let's see what the charge level looks like. 4 bars. Nice. Okay, let's turn it on. Pressing the power button, holding it. Okay, so it's in power assist level mode right now. Let's hit double. I think it gets us into, whoa, setup. I wonder what that is. Okay. I have no idea what that means. I guess I better check the instructions, huh? And let's try the lights. The front light works. Even that busted tail light works. Okay, so next thing I got to do is get the seat adjusted. Just for reference, I am 5'6" and I have a 29-inch inseam. I did the test where you shove the book up in your crotch and measure it, just see how much it is. 29-inch, so I need plenty of step over height on this thing. I mean, I don't have much room for step over height, so I need one that's fairly decent. So there are 2 models of this Yukon. There's one with a 20-inch frame and one with the 17-inch frame. I got the 17-inch frame so that I have one that fits me, right? So let's lower this. I'm just going to lower it all the way and see what that does. Okay, not bad. The pedal length is just about right. Maybe need to raise it up a little bit, but as far as standover, yeah, okay. Hydraulic brakes, let's give those a test. Okay. Shock absorber appears to be in shock mode as opposed to not. So it's got some adjustments to it. That's pretty much just on or off, looks like. Okay, so I just took it for a test drive, went about half a block down the neighborhood here, and it really steps out. I only had it in power assist level 1, and you can really feel it. This thing's got lots of power on this thing. Hey, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see a real review of what this bike is and the motor and all of that kind of stuff, check out electricbikereview.com. They've got some excellent stuff on it. This is just an unboxing. So check them out, and hey, if you like this thing, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, that's about it. Tool Do Tony, out of here. Thanks for watching.